Every AI video tool has the same problem. You make one video, the face looks perfect. You make a second one, it's a different person. So I gave one AI tool a full Hollywood dinosaur chase in 4K just to see if it could survive that test. And stay till the end because this same tool is running a $300,000 competition and I'll show you exactly how to join it. This is Seedance 2 running inside a platform called Akool and it can now generate video in full 4K. So instead of testing it with something simple, I picked the hardest scene I could think of. Let me show you exactly what I did step by step. First, hit the link in the description to go straight to the Akool website and log in or create your account. It takes less than a minute. Once you're in, select image to video mode. Then turn on all-in-one creation mode. This lets you use images, videos and audio together in one project instead of just one at a time. Now upload your photo. I use just one photo of myself, nothing fancy. Next, before touching any settings, enter your prompt. Mine described a man being chased by a Tyrannosaurus Rex through a jungle during a storm, sprinting, diving and narrowly escaping. I've put the full prompt word for word inside the Making Sense community, links in the description if you want to copy it exactly. Then I chose my settings: camera movement, follow subject, shot type, medium shot, atmosphere, epic, effect enhance, action, resolution 4K, duration 14 seconds, audio on, aspect ratio 16:9. Then I hit generate and this next part genuinely surprised me. Watch my face through the whole thing, running, diving under a tree, sliding through mud, same face, every single frame, even during the fastest movement, which is usually exactly where these tools break. But here's the part that surprised me even more. You don't even need a photo for this next mode. This is called text to video. No upload at all. I just typed one idea, the moon falling toward Earth. That full prompt is also in the Making Sense community if you want to try it yourself. I set camera movement to dolly in, shot type to wide shot, atmosphere to epic and effect enhance to documentary. So it looks real instead of like a cartoon. Same 4K, same 14 seconds audio on, but this time 9:16. So it's ready for shorts too. No character, no upload, just words turned into something that looks like real footage. This third mode is one most people don't even know exists, video to video. I took that exact moon video I just showed you, uploaded it back in and asked the AI to turn the moon into Jupiter. Same camera, same movement, just a different planet. This time camera movement was static since the video already had its own motion. Shot type stayed wide shot. Effect enhance, epic spectacle, made exactly for big transformations like this. It didn't make a brand new video from scratch. It changed what was already there. That's the real difference between a video generator and a real editing tool. Quick note, Akool is sponsoring this video because they're running a competition called AkoolClash with a $300,000 prize pool using Seedance 2. Here's how to join. Make your own video using Seedance 2 on Akool, post it anywhere with the hashtag AkoolClash and that's it, you're entered. The link is in the description, click it. The free plan is enough to try everything I just showed you. If this saved you time, subscribe. And if you want to see AI build something real from scratch, check out my last video where I built a full working website using AI with zero code.